Hello guys, my name is Shaima. Alright, in this video I will show you how to install door panel and drawer in our new version, which is version 5. Okay, so let's say we have two cabinets here. You can go to install door plate. Okay, install door plate and select the space inside the cabinet. Okay, you can choose the door type. We have open left, open right, flip upward, downward, double door, fake door and fake drawer. Okay, so down here you can increase the door number. Okay, you can directly increase it here. Okay, you can change the opening direction left and right. Alright, so here you can see, you can change it the type of the door setting. You can make it overlay or embedded and then click OK. Right, so you have three door here. If you press O button, it will open. Okay, and then you see on the top here, if you make a angled cabinet like this one, the door will follow exactly like the door frame. Okay, angled cabinet. Alright, so up here we have a few buttons: door plate, back plate and drawer. Okay, you can directly install this drawer. Okay, you can select any drawer from here and then you can change the setting. Okay, overlay or embedded, and then you can go to customize. There's two new buttons, which is vertical and horizontal. You can cut it to vertical or horizontal. Okay, so let's say we select horizontal and click OK. So we have this drawer. Alright, you can directly install the drawer here, or you can exit, go to install button. Okay, install drawer is the same thing actually. Okay, it's the same thing. Alright, select the space. Okay, select your drawer type, and then you can go to customize to custom your drawer. Alright, so let's say we make it horizontal. Click confirm. Okay, you can reduce or add the drawer number. Okay, so this is the outcome. Alright, so you guys can try out. Okay, these new buttons in version 5.